So can you talk about the models? How many models are there in English, and what are the models?
About models, right?
Yeah, can, could.
Yeah. So they are models are can, could, shall, should, may, might, to, etc. But there are more models we can say.
Okay, so তুমি যদি বলো আমি লিখতে পারি,
I can write.
আমি লিখতে পারতাম,
I could write.
আমি লিখতে পারবো,
I will be able to write.
আমার লেখা উচিত,
I should write.
আমার লেখা উচিত ছিল,
I should have write.
I should have written, I should have
written.
এবার যদি বলো আমার বরং লেখা উচিত,
I had better write.
I had better write. Good job. So এবার যদি বলো আমি লিখতাম,
I would write.
I would write, or we can say I used to write. Good job. Okay, এবার যদি তুমি বলো সে লিখতো,
he could write.
He would write, or he used to write. বলো
He would write, or he used to write.
আচ্ছা, এটাকে যদি আমি বলি আমি লিখতে অভ্যস্ত, তখন কি হবে?
Sorry, sir.
আমি লিখতে অভ্যস্ত,
I used.
তখন আমাদেরকে বলতে হবে I'm used to writing.
I'm used to writing.
অর্থাৎ used to আগে বিভাব দিতে হবে। তাহলে এটা বাংলা কি হবে? বর্তমানে অভ্যাস অর্থে। I'm used to writing মানে আমি লিখতে অভ্যস্ত। বাট আমি যদি বলতে চাই আমি লিখতাম, তখন কি হবে? I would write. I would write. এবার যদি বলো আমার লেখা প্রয়োজন,
I need to write.
আমার ইংরেজি শেখা প্রয়োজন,
I need to learn English.
তার ইংরেজি শেখা প্রয়োজন,
He need to learn English.
He need to or needs to. Okay. এবার যদি বলো আমার ইংরেজি শেখা প্রয়োজন ছিল, I needed to write. I needed to learn English. আমার ঘুমানোর প্রয়োজন ছিল,
I needed to sleep.
I needed to sleep. Good job. এবার যদি বলো আমি না ঘুমিয়ে পারি না,
I can't but sleep.
আমি না লিখে পারি না,
I can't but write.
আমি না লিখে পারতাম না,
I couldn't
but write. Good job. So Nusrat, are you Nusaiba, are you happy with Ilyas English World Services?
Yes, I'm so happy.
Okay, do you have any complaint?
No, sir. Actually, I don't have any complaint.
How many friends did you invite to join Ilyas English World?
I didn't count, but my whole class.
You invited your whole class?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that it means really a lot that you love us. Okay, so I like to know your future dreams. Where would you like to see yourself after 10 years?
After 10 years, I think I really want to be an international speaker in future.
Inshallah, inshallah. May Allah bless you. So my last question for you. I mean, the best thing about your mother, you feel that she has?
She is very caring.
Caring?
Yeah.
Okay, what about Ilyas English World? The best thing about Ilyas English World?
I think the teachers are very caring, and they teach us very well.
Thank you very much for your nice sharing. Thank you. We are really proud and happy. We are really happy to have you as our learning partners. So I had a nice chit chat with you. Thank you very much.